The salvation of Akeriwaye. Two of his subordinate priests were named Shekutu Malagwa and Ojo Okpa Akiko Iyare Re Ododi. They performed divination for Akeriwaye's mother when enemies wished for his death. The mother was instructed to make a sacrifice with 2 roosters, and she promptly did so. The roosters were used as an offering to Ògún and Èṣù. One night, while Akeriwaye slept, an evil spirit approached in the form of a serpent, attempting to enter the room where he was. As the serpent was about to enter, Èṣù quickly released the iron bar that held the door, causing it to fall onto the serpent, crushing it to death. The loud noise of the heavy iron object falling awakened the mother. When she saw what had happened, she knelt and sang praises to her Conran Meyi, who had made the sacrifice for her. When this do appears in divination in a positive way, this is, if it is ire, the person is told that their mother has recently made a sacrifice for them, but its effects have not yet manifested. If it appears negatively, this is, as IAO, the person is advised to tell their mother to make a sacrifice for them against the imminent danger of death.